Good morning students. Today we study chapter 2 addition. You know the addition of, in previous class you also studied the addition. Here I write for example 3748 then 351. Here we add 8 plus 1 9, then 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 3 10. You write 0 carrying 1, then 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5. Then the first number is called addend. What do you say? Addend. The second number is also called addend. Then the result is called sum. The result is called sum. First two numbers we add, the result is called sum. The result is called sum. Then for example, find the sum. Find the sum. First question, 372 plus 145. 372 plus 145. Then first according to place value we write ones, tens, 100. Here 100 place, one place extra you take 1000. Okay. Then you write in ones place, you start within ones place 2, 7, 3. Here 5, 4, 1. Then you add 2 plus 5, 7. Then 7 plus 4, 11. You don't write 11 in whole. You write only. Here, listen here. 11 come. Then the left hand side is go to carry over. The right hand side number is come in our answer. Then 23. Which digit come in our answer? 3 come in our answer. Then 2 go to carry over. Then 45. Which number come in? 5 come in answer. Then 4 go to carry over. Here which number? 1 come in answer. Then 1 go to carry over. Then first you add 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus, you take the carry over also. 4 plus 1, 5. Our answer is 517. Understand? One more question. Yes, write down. 233 plus 425. Okay. First you arrange this number according to place value. You know familiar in place value? Ones, tens, 100. Here 100. Then 3, 3, 2. Here 5, 2, 4. Then add this number. 3 plus 5. If in one finger how many block here? 3. Here also 3. You take in, don't write in line, you take in block. 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 2 plus 4, 6. Understand? Then properties of addition. Properties. First property, properties of addition. first property, order property. Ordering. Order property. We add any order of the number. That property is called order property. We add any order of the number. The result is, the sum is not change. The sum is not change. That property is called order property. That property is called order property. Example, 238 plus 123. Okay, 238 plus 123. First we add 238 plus 123. Then we add 8 plus 3, 11, carrying 1. Then 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then first I take 238 plus 123. Now I take 123 plus 238. Again 3 plus 8, 11, carrying 1. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Look here. Here 361. Here also 361. I change the number in order. First I write 238. Then I write 123. The answer is 361. Here 123 I write in first, then 238 second. Then we add, the result is 361. This property, we change the order. We change it. This goes here, this goes here. We change the order. The result is same. The result is same. This property is called order property. This property is called order property. Second, grouping property. Second, grouping property. Second, grouping property. Grouping property. In a grouping property, 3 or more numbers. In grouping property, 3 or more numbers group in any order. In grouping property, 3 or more numbers group in any order. The final result is not change. The final result is not change. That property is called grouping property. That property is called grouping property. For example, 123 plus 348 plus 145. Okay. First I group these two numbers, 123 plus 348. Then first add 3 plus 8, 11, carrying 1. Then 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 1 plus 3, 4. Then the answer here write. Then plus 145. 1 plus 5, 6. 7 plus 4, 11, carrying 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then second, first grouping second, 348 plus 145. Then first add 8 plus 5, 13, carrying 1, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4, 9, 3 plus which number? 123. 3 plus 3, 6, 9 plus 2, 11, carrying 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5, 6. You listen here, this answer and this answer is same. I change the group. Here first I write 123 and 348. We get 471. Then 471 plus 145. Then we get 616. First. Then second step, I change the number. First I take 348 and 145. Then now we add, we get 493. Then this right here 493 added 123. Then we get 616. Both final answer are same. Both final answers are same. This property is called grouping property. This property is called grouping property. What is grouping property? In a grouping property, we 3 or more numbers group in any order. Group in any order. The final result is not changed. The final result is not changed. That property is called grouping property. That property is called grouping property. Then property of 0. Property of 0. 0 property, we add any number with 0. We added any number with 0. The answer is the number itself. The result is the number itself. Listen, 47 plus 0 is equal to 47, or 0 plus 54 is equal to 54. Okay? Understand? What are the properties? Again repeat. Ordering properties, then grouping property, then 0 property. I give some questions, homework for you. Then 2 exercise I gave, you do these questions. Some questions do in book, some question do in notebook. Understand this? Thank you for listening me.